Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Xoxo, gracefully Tori, and I'm excited to host you. This is my very first YouTube video and I thought, hey, why not kickstart this video with a get to know me tag. I do have my questions written down below me, so I will be referring to my notes during the video. What is my name? My name is Xoxo Mulisiwa. Those are my full names. Um, what does it mean? Well, Xoxo means grace. That is my first name. And the next question asks, what is the story behind my name? Well, I am my mom's firstborn, and she had me when she was pretty old. She was 32, and that is not a usual year to have children. So she considered it a blessing that God had, remembered her even in her old age. So Xoxo does also mean blessing, but it also means grace. So hi. Are you named after anyone? Yes, I am. One of my middle names, Bahomi, was my grandmother's name. Till this day, I have absolutely no idea what it means. Nobody around me knows what it means, but yes, um, my other name is Bahomi, and it's my grandmother's name. Where are you from? I'm from Bobonong. Yes, Kimiro pure breed. Um, what is my favorite color? My favorite color is mint green. Um, I have a friend who is an art teacher and he doesn't think mint green is a color, but hey, my favorite color is mint green. My favorite drink is Fanta Orange. Yeah, I don't drink alcohol, so when I do get like a little treat, I get Fanta Orange. My favorite music genre is gospel. Probably one of the only genres that I listen to, I think. Well, like 99.9%. Yeah, gospel. And my favorite quote is actually a scripture in Psalms. It says, one thing that I am certain about is that I will see the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. I want to believe it's Psalms 23, verse 13. Yes. It says the first person you call after something bad happens. Well, after Jesus, one of three people, my mom, my brother, or my bestie. Yeah. Do I sing in the shower? I think this question should be, where don't I sing? I sing everywhere. Like I sing. I sing everywhere. Um, are you a dog or a cat person? Dog. Dog. 100% dog. um, Current favorite song. I know it's an old song, but for the last couple of days, 24 hours of the day, I have been playing Jabu Shangwane's Wabetelwa. Love, love, love. Ah, such an amazing song. Um, Tea or coffee person? Coffee, 100%. I'm actually addicted to what they call the TikTok coffee, the frothy coffee, dalgona coffee, I think it's called. Oh, I absolutely love it. I love coffee. How often do you talk to yourself? I talk to myself more than most people do. I talk to myself a lot. Ladies and gentlemen, that is actually my last question. Thank you for watching. I really hope that you stay and tell your friends about this channel. Please do subscribe, like, comment. I'm so eager and can't wait to interact with you all. Thank you, and I really hope that you're taking care of yourself, especially during this time of the coronavirus. Love you and God bless.